back. On behalf of Miglani Realtors, I'm Sonali Gupta Verma and I would love to welcome you all to another gorgeous floor right here in one of the most sought after locations in Gurgaon, DLF Phase 1. This beautiful floor, which is spread across 502 square yards with 4 bedrooms and 1 study, could turn into the house of your dreams. Before we go ahead, I would just like to tell you a bit more about the intricate details and the design aesthetics that makes this floor absolutely unique. As you walk in, you can actually see the floor spells luxury, exuberance and more class. All of the floor has Italian marble, and when you just take a look around at the walls, they have been beautifully designed in European style, which adds more enigma and elegance to the entire area. Now this entire area is divided into 2 sections, the dining area and the living area. The dining area also has a beautiful chandelier already that adds more to the beauty of this area. And as you walk towards the living area, it has a grand and more bright chandelier that brings about that sense of beauty into the entire room. Also, this entire area has VRV air conditioning, which means it can heat up during winters and it can keep you all cool during summers. Well, this was about the living area, the area where you attend to your guests, where you make them feel special, and this is the area that truly reflects your style and your taste. Well, after this area, it's time for us to move into slightly more personal areas of this house. So let's go ahead and move into the next room. The entire hallway has beautiful wooden detailing on the walls, which makes it look very lush and plush. Now this entire wide hallway leads into an open kitchen. Now this happens to be my favorite part, and what I love about the kitchen is it is all in granite. Now the marble and the tabletops of the kitchen are all in dark granite. It is an island setting with once again half-lay hob. And we also have the chimney. We have all of the glass cupboards that makes it look even more beautiful. And we have some very special areas here where we have the microwave, the oven, the OTG is all fixed up. Again, no kitchen these days is complete without air conditioning. So there is air conditioning here, so you can go ahead and cook at your own will and fancy and never let the heat bother you. So this is the kitchen area for all of you. After the kitchen, we move straight into the other master bedroom on this floor. Again, the master bedroom has a beautiful wooden feel to it. The back wall of the master bedroom has been designed to look even more beautiful and elegant. Now this is all in wood, and little detailing of these beautiful gold pipes have been given in this. So all you need to do is place your bed. There is a wall for the console right opposite, and you are ready and you are in your house. Now a master bedroom is never complete without a beautiful master washroom. So let me show you what there is. A massive walk-in wardrobe is what you have here. It's a glass wardrobe with enough and more space for you and your partner, for you to place all of your essentials, clothes, bags, shoes, everything. And as you walk in, once again, it is beautifully designed in black and white to add that touch of elegance and sophistication. Now all of the fittings once again are all imported. Along with the sink, there is a mirror in the washroom which you can use as your dressing area, and we have the lovely shower area, which is again compact. It is all isolated. It is a glass shower area with the head shower and the regular showers. All of the fittings that have been used are Kohler that look stunning, and it is the gold Kohler that adds the touch of luxury to the entire washroom. Now that we've covered the living area, the kitchen and the bedroom, let's walk again into the passage area. The passage area in this floor is very wide, which makes it look beautifully grand. And now walking into another bedroom which has European style walls, a beautiful see-through door which gives it a grander look. The door opens into a park area which just gives it that serene, calm and peaceful feel. And of course, there's a wide balcony adjoining every room. So if you take a look, it looks absolutely stunning. The guest room also has enough storage and has a beautiful washroom area. The fittings are all quality fittings, they're all top class, and if you take a look, there is a gorgeous round mirror which adds to the aesthetics of this washroom. Moving along from this bedroom, we once again go into the passage area which leads us into the next powder room. Now this is for the guests, a beautiful small compact powder room with a beautiful lighting and the mixture and basin which is all imported, which adds to the design aesthetics of this washroom. Now you can see the wooden paneling and the Italian marble that just makes it look all the more marvelous. Well, moving along from the powder room, we move into the master bedroom. Now this happens to be the most beautiful room of the entire floor. Massive, big, gigantic. It just makes the entire house look gorgeous. Now again, adjoining this room, there is a beautiful balcony, your own personal balcony, which looks straight into the park. Again, as I said earlier, it's all green, calm and undisrupted. And when you see the back wall of the master bedroom, you see a design element that truly makes the back of the bedroom stand out. Now, as we move in from the master bedroom, we have to cover the most beautiful area, which is the master washroom. Spacious, big and enormous. It also has a special wardrobe area. So you have your own walk-in wardrobe. If you want, you can just go ahead and take a look at the walk-in wardrobe. And then there is a compact shower area which is completely closed down. There's a head shower, there are other shower fittings. Once again, all the fittings are international, they're all imported. These are all top quality fittings. And the basin, my favorite. Now the passage of the dining room leads to two more bedrooms, one study and one kitchen. Now let's start with another bedroom. So while you walk into this passage, it leads you into the second biggest bedroom in this house. Once again, done beautifully. The interiors truly take care of every little detail and make sure that every corner of this house looks as spectacular. And when you take a look around, you see the amount of space that comes out of this beautiful area. Also, again, there's an adjoining balcony with every room, which I think is the most important thing in houses these days, which makes the house feel more open, spacious and more breathable. Well, we walk into the washroom of this beautiful second big room, and the washroom is as big, spacious, has enough storage space and glass wardrobes, along with all of the very interesting and important fittings, shower area and a beautiful basin and a big wide mirror. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. This property spells elegance, sophistication and class. Well, we have many such properties available with similar specifications. If you're looking for anything, you can always contact us for the properties at best and the most competitive and affordable prices. Your one phone call can make all the difference. Once again, on behalf of Miglani Realtors, we are very excited to tell you all that this is still just the beginning. Anytime you wish to buy the house of your dreams, all you need to do is call us. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Miglani Realtors, where you can find many properties that are going to turn your dreams into reality. This is your host Sonali Gupta signing off till I see you next in another grand apartment.